Alright guys, welcome to another video from Classic Games United. In today's video, we're going to be doing on how to install Revolt and play multiplayer in 2024, and we're also going to do a video on Far Cry 1 advanced version. This is a new multiplayer mod for Far Cry 1, so this intro will cover Revolt and Far Cry 1 today guys. So also that you all love my merchandise, Classic Games United, as you can see. If you're interested, you could buy one friend already buy the merchandise. I already thank for your support. So guys, without that being said, let's get the tutorial, and yeah. Alright guys, so let's get to the tutorial with Revolt. So type in any browser, Revolt Racing Game Launcher download. Don't click on this one, click on this one. Right, and go to downloads and either download 32-bit, 64-bit, Linux or Mac, right? So I am using 32-bit. I'll download this. Right.
Yo, stay focused, man's on a mission. Wavy like the ocean, ain't got time for inhibition. Eyes on a prize, lock it in your vision.
So what you want to do guys is go to like C games, right, and let's type in Revolt launcher. Let's follow my steps guys. And this is a new way to play the game. This is the new way to play the game. You might do the old one, what is the new way to play the game, and you'll get all the cars and stuff, right? So let's stay with me and I'll show you what to do. Right? Alright, your one guys, you could just make a shortcut to the desktop. Doesn't matter, and you will just run it. Okay, alright, so this is it here. This is the location here. What to do, right? Go to online. So you could choose which you want: original, basic, custom, or online. Right? You can see here, this is the packs here. These are all the packs here. Alright. This is everything here, right? So here, and we want to play online. Now you could choose which one you want, but we want to play online. Now come back to here. So this will basically be the same thing with we come to some track and the packs and everything. So we got the list after me. See, yeah guys, this is basically the same thing. Alright, so let's just try the launcher. Select which one I want, select online, download.
Straight up madness, you know how we roll.
You know I don't play right. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right.
Alright guys, so let's give it a while until install the packs, and then I'll be back, right? So basically choose which one you want custom, and then click download and install, and it will install the game for you, right? So right now it's installing the game on all the tracks. So once it's finished, I'll be back, right? Alright guys, the game is finished and download, right? So once the game is finished downloading, you'll just go to here, file location, and you could just copy the location here, the launcher, copy, and let's put it here, right? After that guys, you want to install the packs. So what you will do, you will just select all the packs, select everything except for this. Don't select this. If you're using Linux guys, you can select this. If you're using Mac, you could install this. If you have a 32-bit, you could install this. But I have 64-bit and I am running this game on PC, Windows. So I closed Windows 64-bit because my system is 64-bit guys. So once you select everything guys, you will click on here, you click on download and update. So you will just click here and everything should download, right? So once everything is downloaded guys, you could start the game, right? It's very easy. Select which one you want to install and click on install packages, right? You understand? I record this part, but the audio didn't record, so I was record it over. So it's pretty much easy guys, right? So once you install everything that you need here, all the packs, then you just launch the game and go into the game, right? So let's go into the game now, and I will show you all everything is looking right. Alright guys, in the game now, right? So once you start the game, you'll have to click that profile. So you'll just enter your name and click that profile, right? Let's go to controller and you'll select your controller, player 1 controller, and here, and you will just configure your controls, right? Then you will just start the game. Load on the volume because you know might get copyright strike this, I don't know. But the volume works and everything. So you just go to start race, single race, arcade style, select your name, one, and you can put on all these cars guys. You have all the cars you could choose from. Alright, have all the trucks you could choose from. I don't know why these trucks are locked. You have to play through all these trucks first. I don't know why these trucks are locked, guys. I don't know why. as you can see, guys, the game is working. I don't know why some of the tracks are locked. Maybe I have to play through the single player race to unlock the tracks. But as you can see, I have all the cars, install all the packs to the game, and everything is working good. So that's it, guys, for the tutorial. Hope that you all enjoy. I mightn't keep the game because of the size, but I just decided to do this tutorial to help you guys if you want to play the game and install it with all the packs and stuff. So that's it for the tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching, and hope that this helped you out to install the game easy with the launcher. So that this was easy to understand, and just follow my steps and everything should go. So thanks for watching, guys.